Hey everyone. This is me Nick, and welcome you all to a brand new video. I know that it has been days since we are updated with new video on this channel. But don't give it a concern, because today, I came up thinking that, what if we could have created a bio as in form of a website with a domain and our own username? Does that sound awesome? Right? And that too at free of cost? So why waste time? Let's do the same. Watch the video till the end. For this, all you have to do is just download the free application from the given link below the description. Now, the login process is an unappetizing task for me to be done, so I just skipped it already. I hope you could do it on your own. In the Settings tab, you could be able to make changes to things like username, profile photo, bio, preferred link, domain and so on. Also, you get a lot to see with the overall performance of your website. Like, how much click it got, as well how much views. This will gives you a clear expression of your website's growth. I'm concluding everything so fast, because it's so easy to move on in its flow. You can easily get directed to this and that with app help gestures, so why should I repeat it again and again, which usher to waste of time. And the next few features is all about the cool themes the app provides, and also the different ways to attach links and headers. Explore it thoroughly and make its use emphatically.